This is pork. A beautiful, fantastic pork made by me. Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I hope all are fine. I'm also fine by the grace of God. Today I will making a video different from others, and I speak in English in video like Sukur aba ini aba Modi is the politics. I'm politics of outfield election. Modi is the politics like Sukur sometimes say Assamese. Keep watching. Then start the video. Matlab nai. This is pork, this is tomato, and this is so hot. Today I shall cook a meat whose Assam people's favorite pork meat. Today I will cook, and in here this is like a bathroom where I watching my body, our human body. Assam wants, India wants who will cook pork in this place like bathroom khana. Matlab nai. Hello guys, my English is very poor. Now I am trying to speak English. Therefore, you want to understand what I say. Neglect that what I say wrong and watch the video at the end. Guys, everybody see this place is very letra. Therefore, now I am cleaning the place, waiting for that. Guys, now I am making the soka. Assamese know how can it's make. See me. Now I am making soka where soru ami patting in this. Here, this is curry. Now I am washing soru for cooking pork. You know, we know Assamese boy can do everything. Learn to me. Bathroom khana kham. Now we hear our important goods are like that. This like a tomato, this potato, two tomato, two potato, and one onion. It's like say bhut chili, and rosun, and our here with red chili and meat masala every day. And this is the fantastic goods, like meat, pork. This pork. I hunger. See. Now I am mixing masala with pork. Now I am mixing red chili in this pork. Yes. Now this is the important. What I say. This is korisa. Korisa in Assamese people eat. Favorite, my favorite, your favorite. This helicopter. See like guys, it's helicopter in our home. আমাৰ ঘৰৰ ওপৰে হেলিকপ্টাৰো যায় বহুত দামীয়া মানুহ মই দেই মতলব নাই মই সস্তীয়া মানুহ নহয় Very rich man I. Now this ada, nohoru and jolokia are mixed, and now I'm dhaling here, putting here. Okay. Wait, haldi, nimok nida. Now I use nimok and name is haldi, and I use this haldi. Now I'm simi mix like that. This bathroom khana, jobojong khana. Today we make a jobojong khana. It's easy to say. Mixing are completed. Now I'm cutting aloo. No, tomato. Small part. Tomato. Now I'm cutting tomato in 4 piece. Bilahi? Okay, bilahi. Oh, it's onion. Like tiny part. Completed. Good job. Now I'm frying. Now I'm frying here with curry. We start firing of care with care. Now I use oil. Bathroom khana cooking start now. Now putting pyaz and firing fry. Now I'm mixing, frying pork. Sometimes we frying pork only 4-5 items. Use only this. First pork, and second ada nohoru, third jolokia, and mix like others like oil. Now I'm frying pork. Now I'm cutting kosu hak for giving pork. Just like Zabor Khana. In here, kosu, sapora kosu. Now I'm putting tomato, potato, and frying like 2 minutes. Now I'm putting water, some water. Like this, and like this, like this. And boiling, it's about 8. Now it's boiling. So few minutes and we will complete it. Guys, let's see the meat. This tokari takes a beautiful color like that. It takes a beautiful color. Some gravy in there, and you can try to home like us. Not bathroom. It's not. Don't try this. Only house, not bathroom. Now we taste this pork. This is pork. This is tomato, and this is so hot. Just take a time to cool. It's 2 minutes. Very fantastic. What I cook, absolutely. So hot. Now our pork is ready. It's like that. It's some gravy. Have so beautiful. But see, you feel, you take feel, and I feel it. It's like cooking that. I'm cookman. Now our khana have completed. This is pork, a beautiful, fantastic pork made by me, and this rice made by my mom in Radhani Ghar. Now I'm eating now. You see, and now I'm tasting with rice. And now I'm next pork. And I'm taking gravy. And I'm taste very hot. This is pork, telia mangkho, Assamese and khao. Fantastic. Now I'm having bhat and mangkho. This is very nice. খুব সুন্দর. This tomato, shaping tenga. Fantastic. Then okay. Finally, we have eaten rice with pork. What we cooked and feel so delicious, feel so good, and it's very sweetest. And you can try to cook like us in like this palace with kosu, with kothal gos, and like it, etc. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then you do subscribe, please share and play the bell icon, and meet again with a new video. Just till and tata, bye bye.